Hi guys, welcome back to Gloria's Platter. Today's dish is the Sri Lankan Style Squid Curry. I am using 1.5 pounds of squid. In the USA, we get frozen squid which I have defrosted. Let me show you how to clean them. Be careful not to break this ink sac. If you do, it will be a big mess which is also smelly. Pull this bone and discard. It looks like a thin plastic which is transparent. Now let's use a small spoon or your finger to clean inside the body of the squid. Strangely, this one is empty. I have found interesting stuff inside the squids. In the past, I have found a small fish and a small shrimp inside the squid's body. I'm still waiting to find something valuable one day. You may take the fins off and discard. I like to cook squid curry using head and tube, including the fins. Look, this tube is full. The squid is so small, so let me use the handle of the spoon to scoop out the stomach. Okay, now they are clean and I have removed the skin too. I have washed and drained the water. Here are the rest of the ingredients. Oil, black pepper, turmeric, red chili powder, Jaffna Curry Powder. Here I have Ceylon cinnamon, cardamoms and cloves. This is called goraka. The botanical name is Garcinia cambogia, which can be substituted with tamarind. I have salt, onion, garlic, tomato, and green chilies. Cut onion, garlic, tomato, and green chilies. So heat the oil, and when the oil is heated, fry cardamoms, cinnamon, and cloves for a minute. Add the garlic, green chilies, and onion, frying for a couple of minutes. Today's question is, what did I find inside the body of the squid in the past? Write the answer in the comment section. Let's see who paid attention. Add the chili powder, curry powder, turmeric, black pepper, salt, and give it a good mix. Now fry the tomato and add the goraka. Add quarter cup of water and simmer for 10 minutes. Add squid. I'm adding one by one to avoid the curry becoming too watery. Check the description box for more details. Cook for about 10 minutes and check the taste for salt. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of coconut milk, which is optional. Feel free to add curry leaves, pandan leaves for extra flavor. Look at the squid head. The body becomes double. The Sri Lankan squid curry is ready, guys. Please subscribe to Gloria's Platter. Hit the bell next to it and enable all notifications for future videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.